In this video, we'll show you how to protect buyers from unintentionally placing large bids. This feature helps prevent mistakes and avoids the need for cancellations later on. On AuctionWorx, when a buyer attempts to place a bid that is more than 100 times the minimum bid amount, you can enable a confirmation step to ensure the bid is intentional. Let's see how to enable this feature. As an admin user, navigate to the Admin Control panel and then go to the Auction page under the Listings section. Here, you'll find the option Enable Large Bid Confirmation. Simply enable this setting. Now, let's look at what happens from the buyer's perspective. Suppose a buyer tries to place a bid that is 100 times greater than the minimum bid amount displayed. In this case, a confirmation pop-up will appear, asking the buyer to confirm their large bid amount. The buyer can choose an appropriate amount from the options provided in the confirmation pop-up, or cancel and re-enter the correct amount. Let's select an option and submit the bid. As you can see, the bid is submitted successfully. This simple feature helps prevent buyers from accidentally placing large bids, reducing the chances of errors and ensuring a smoother bidding process. By enabling this confirmation, you can protect both buyers and sellers from potential issues. Thank you for watching.